The evolution of AI chatbots, a deep dive into ChatGPT's development. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, chatbots have emerged as a fascinating and transformative technology. As we delve deeper into the mechanics and intricacies of ChatGPT's evolution, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of how it has become a game-changer in the world of AI chatbots. The birth of chatbots, early pioneers and milestones. The genesis of ELIZA, 1966. Our journey begins in the 1960s when Joseph Weizenbaum, a computer scientist at MIT, developed one of the very first chatbots, ELIZA. Perry, the paranoid chatbot, 1972. ELIZA was soon joined by another notable figure, Perry, created by Kenneth Colby. Turing test and the Loebner Prize, 1991-present. The Turing test, proposed by Alan Turing in 1950, challenged the ability of machines to exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of humans. The GPT era and ChatGPT, 2019-present. Finally, we arrive at the present day, where advancements in deep learning and the advent of models like GPT-3 and GPT-3.5 have revolutionized chatbots. From ELIZA to GPT-3.5, the advancements in natural language processing. Early rule-based systems, 1960s-1970s. The birth of NLP and chatbots saw the emergence of rule-based systems, like ELIZA, which relied on a predefined set of rules to generate responses. The deep learning revolution, 2010s. The 2010s witnessed the rise of deep learning, particularly deep neural networks, which have revolutionized NLP. The GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, series, developed by OpenAI. The GPT series of models represents a breakthrough in NLP. ChatGPT's predecessors, a brief history of GPT models. GPT-1, the pioneer, 2018. The GPT series began with GPT-1, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT-3, a giant leap, 2020. GPT-3, with a whopping 175 billion parameters, marked a giant leap in NLP. Fine-tuning and customization, building on GPT-3, 2020-2021. Beyond GPT-3's incredible generative abilities, its fine-tuning capabilities allow developers to customize it for specific applications. The role of deep learning in ChatGPT's development. Deep learning, a subfield of artificial intelligence, has played a central and transformative role in the development of ChatGPT and other advanced AI chatbots. Neural networks, the building blocks of deep learning. At the heart of deep learning are neural networks, computational models inspired by the human brain's structure. Long short-term memory, LSTM, networks, handling sequences. LSTMs are an evolution of RNNs designed to address the vanishing gradient problem and handle long sequences more effectively. Transformer architecture, the breakthrough in NLP, 2017. The introduction of the transformer architecture marked a major turning point in NLP and deep learning. Data and training, how ChatGPT learns from text corpora. The remarkable abilities of ChatGPT and other advanced AI chatbots are rooted in the extensive datasets they're trained on and the training methodologies employed. Data as the lifeblood of ChatGPT. Data is the foundation of ChatGPT's learning process. Diverse data sources for a well-rounded AI. ChatGPT's training data is carefully curated to provide a broad and diverse knowledge base. Ongoing training and updates. Continuous learning. ChatGPT's learning is an ongoing process. Fine-tuning and customization, shaping ChatGPT's behavior. One of the key features that sets AI chatbots like ChatGPT apart is their ability to be fine-tuned and customized for specific tasks or behaviors. Understanding fine-tuning. Tailoring the model. Fine-tuning is the process of adjusting a pre-trained AI model like ChatGPT to be more specialized for a particular task or behavior. Limitation and boundaries. Ethical and safety considerations. Fine-tuning is not without limitations. User-defined chatbots. Tailoring to unique needs. With fine-tuning and customization, developers can create user-specific chatbots tailored to unique needs, whether in customer support, content generation, or other applications. Scaling up. The hardware and infrastructure behind ChatGPT. The capabilities of ChatGPT, a sophisticated AI chatbot, are not solely a result of advanced algorithms and training data but are also heavily dependent on the underlying hardware and infrastructure. Parallel processing and GPUs. Training large language models like ChatGPT requires immense computational power. High-performance computing clusters. Clusters of high-performance machines are used for training and running large language models efficiently. Cost management. Training and running models like ChatGPT can be costly. Maintenance and monitoring. The complex infrastructure supporting ChatGPT requires ongoing maintenance and monitoring to ensure optimal performance, security, and reliability. Challenges and breakthroughs. Overcoming limitations in ChatGPT. Limited context understanding. One significant challenge in AI chatbots is their ability to understand and maintain context over extended conversations. Ethical considerations. The ethical implications of AI language models, such as privacy, safety, and bias, are ongoing challenges. Ethical concerns in ChatGPT's evolution. Bias and fairness. Stereotypical and offensive responses. AI chatbots can inadvertently generate responses that are stereotypical, offensive, or discriminatory. Lack of context awareness. ChatGPT may not always fully understand or consider the context and potential consequences of its responses, which can lead to responses that are insensitive or inappropriate. User feedback and reporting. Ethical guidelines encourage users to provide feedback on problematic responses and content generated by AI chatbots. The road ahead. ChatGPT's future and potential applications. Customer support and service. AI chatbots like ChatGPT have the potential to revolutionize customer support. Education and tutoring. AI chatbots can act as personalized tutors, assisting students with homework, explaining complex concepts, and offering guidance in various subjects. Ethical and legal consultation. AI chatbots may be used for ethical and legal consultation, offering insights into complex moral and legal issues or helping users navigate legal processes. Conclusion. The evolution of AI chatbots, epitomized by ChatGPT, is a remarkable journey through the realms of natural language processing, deep learning, and ethical considerations. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI chatbots will play an increasingly integral role in our lives, offering assistance, information, and companionship in a variety of fields. The development of ChatGPT is just one chapter in the ongoing story of AI's evolution, and it is certain that the best is yet to come.